So the CSG growth marketing model is a three-tiered approach to growing and scaling a business. And the key is that it's built from really listening to business owners and listening to marketing people in larger organizations, and then wrapping some structure around that. So we always start with gaining as much insight as possible into the organization that we're going to be working with. And so we start off with a marketing audit. And so we'll run every single company through the growth marketing model. And from that, we'll be able to see the areas where we feel like they're doing a really great job, the areas where they need improvement, and importantly, where we feel that aligning the investment will actually get the most value for them and the most return. So once we then have that understanding of exactly the baseline of where the company is, it then allows us to make recommendations for where the marketing focus needs to be. The second tier is then the 5 pillars of focus that we have, and that's around strategy and planning, branding and design, new customer acquisition, existing customer marketing, and then technology and automation. And each of these pillars play a really vital role in the growth of the business. Now, how much of it that we need to invest in each one obviously comes out in line with what the vision of the business is, what the ability to resource it is, and importantly, the timing around when we're trying to achieve these things. Once all of that work is done and we're very clear on where it is that we're aiming, the work that we need to do, the timescales and the level of investment, all we actually then need to do is think about how is it that we're going to engage together, and there's 3 different ways. We might just build a marketing foundation, and that's where we get your marketing into the position that it's ready to take to market. And so once we're done with that, is your company is set up and it's ready with a world-class marketing setup. The second way that we work with businesses is they might want to do it themselves. And so we might just take on a consulting piece where we can help guide the business with their marketing if they have a marketing manager, if they have a marketing team already, and we can just guide them to make sure that they're continuing in the right direction through ongoing consultation. And then the third way that we work with businesses is we will fully manage your marketing. And so that's where we build you out the full-scale marketing department, and then we'll run everything from start to finish on a monthly basis. So what we have aimed to build is a very integrated model that when you look at each individual piece, a business will be able to see that the sum is definitely greater than the parts, and that it is all intertwined, aiming towards the wider growth of the business.